Okay, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to download Kali Linux. Okay, we search VMware, download VMware station, and we're to download now. Okay, we downloaded it and press next in the installer. Then we download the Kali Linux virtual machine. Go here to virtual machine and we download the VMware 64 bits, depends on your system. Okay, we press here and start the download. Okay, when you download it, you have a RAR file, so you extract it, and you need this. Okay, you extract it and then open VMware. Wait. Okay, we open VMware station. We press open a virtual machine and search this RAR you extract. Gonna be this file inside it. So you're gonna search for it and click it. So VMware is gonna open a virtual machine already to use with the password, user, some programs. Okay, let's see. It's a ready to use virtual machine. Just loading. Okay, the username is Kali and the password is Kali2. So we have the virtual machine ready for use. It's responsive. See, is all the configuration is ready. It's ready to use. The command line, everything is ready. So this is the easiest way.